So today we will discuss chapter 4 and chapter 5. Yes. So you see,
Yes, sir.
introduction to Scratch. Yes. Introduction to Scratch. So page number is 2, chapter 4. So what is Scratch? We already discussed what is Scratch. Scratch is a programming language which was developed at MIT. What is the full form of MIT? MIT full form is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Yes, Medial lab by Lifelong Ingarden Group. Yes. So latest, what is the latest version of Scratch? I already told you yesterday. Yes, 3.1 is latest version of Scratch. Okay, and what is Sprite? A project is made up of objects which are known as sprite. Everyone should remember what is sprite. Okay, sprite, a project is made up of objects which are known as sprite. Okay, so latest version of Scratch is 3.1. Okay, so now we can see page number 3. Page number 3. So how can we start Scratch program in our computer? Simple, you just start your Scratch program. Okay, after that, double click on your Scratch icon. Okay, so just a minute. My Scratch program is opening. Now you can see creating project, loading project. Okay, so now you can see my Scratch program is open. Okay, so how can you start Scratch program in your computer? Okay, it's simple. If you want to forget your Scratch program or Scratch display, you just use search button. Okay, and type SCR. and automatically Scratch program will come. You can see. Okay, and after that, just double click on icon. This icon. Okay, Scratch icon. So now you can see Scratch. My Scratch program is open. Okay. So next you see component of Scratch. Component of Scratch. So we already discussed menu bar, cursor tool, stage button, green flag, stop button, stage, sprite information, and background button and sprite list and new sprite button. So you see menu bar. You see this file, edit, tutorial, Scratch logo is called menu bar. Okay. Next, cursor tool. Cursor tool is not there in my Scratch 3.0. Oh, yeah. So it's called cursor tool. Okay. Next, you can see stage button. Stage button. Where is the stage button? Stage button is not there. Okay, no problem. You see in your book 4.3 image 4.3 components of Scratch. Okay, so you see menu bar and cursor tool. Okay, this one is called cursor tool, and this one is called menu bar. Okay. Next, green flag. This one is green flag. Okay, and this one is stop button. Okay, and stage. This one is stage. This one is called stage. Next is what? Block plated. This one is called block plated. Okay. And this one is called script area. Okay. This one is called script area. Okay, script area. Okay. So next you will see sprite information. Sprite information. This one is sprite information now. Only one sprite is inside in my Scratch program. You see sprite one. Next sprite information, backdrop button. This one is backdrop. This one is backdrop button. This one is sprite button. Okay. New sprite button. This one is backdrop button. Okay. Next is tab. This one is called tab. Key tab is here. Code tab, custom tab, and sound tab. Okay. So now we will discuss what is menu bar. Okay, and why we use menu bar in Scratch program. Now you see various sprite related management tasks and projects are there in menu bar. For example, you can open a new project and you should use file tab. Yes. And suppose if you want to edit your project, then you should use edit tab. Yes. So the various button on the menu bar are Scratch logo. This one is called Scratch logo. Okay, the Scratch logo button takes the Scratch homepage. Scratch logo, the Scratch logo button takes to the Scratch homepage. If you want to click this Scratch button, then you redirect to Scratch homepage. Okay, so now you can see my Scratch version is 2.1.
Scratch logo button takes to the home page.
Yes, yes. So you see my Scratch version is 3.1. Okay. Next you see globe. This one is globe button. Okay. If you want to change your language, then you should use globe button. So depending of your choice, which language you should use in your Scratch program. Okay. So next is file menu. This one is file menu. Yes. If you want to create a new project or existing project or save your project, then you should use file tab or file menu. Okay. Next, edit menu. This option, the adjust, the stretch layout or use the undeleted option are available in the edit menu. Undeleted option, you can see restore. That means suppose you mistakenly delete your something block plated or script, any color. Okay. So suppose by mistake you delete, then you can restore or undo your all the information from edit menu. You can see edit and restore button. Okay, this option. So next you see cursor tool. Cursor tools are located on the menu bar. Cursor tools are located on the menu bar. This one is cursor tool. This tool can be used to perform different operations on sprite. Duplicate, delete, grow, shelf, and block help. Okay. So you see, this one is which one? This one is full screen. This one is normal screen, small screen. Okay. So duplicate. Suppose if you want to duplicate your sprite, okay, then you can use it duplicate cursor tool. Okay. And suppose any sprite or any block, if you want to delete, then you can use it delete cursor tool. Okay. And next is grow. Grow is a increment. Suppose if you want to increase your sprite size, okay, increase your sprite size, then you can use it. Grow is equal to grow cursor tool. Okay, and shrink is a decrement. Shrink, if you want to decrement your sprite size, then you can use it. Shrink. Next is block help. Block help means suppose you don't know, suppose how can we insert sprite, and how can we change sprite color. Okay, if you want to need any help for Scratch, okay, then you can use it, block help. Okay, next you see stage. Stage means is sprite area. Yes, this one. Yes. It's called stage. That means sprite area. So the stage is the part of the Scratch window where program can be created. It is the main working area to perform the action when the Scratch starts, and orange cat appears in the middle of the stage. This is the sprite that moves and interacts with the other sprite on the stage. The stage has the following button. You can see stage has the following button. Number 1 is green flag. Number 2 is red. That means stop button. When you use green flag button, so when you run your program, Scratch program, okay, that we should use green flag button. That means run program. A green flag button. Yes. If you want to run your program, suppose you are coding it, writing over in your Scratch, and after that you want to run your Scratch program, then you can run this button or you can click this button. Which button? Green flag button. It's called green flag button. And suddenly you want to stop your Scratch program. Okay, then you can use it, stop button. When you use stop button, then all the Scratch program will be stopped in your computer. Okay, and when you click this button, green flag button, then your Scratch, all the Scratch program will be run in your computer. Okay, and next you can see stage button. This one is stage button. If you want to zoom your Scratch program, then you can use it full screen. Okay, full screen control. Okay, so next you see new sprite button. New sprite button. So its object is Scratch is called a sprite. Yes, we already discussed sprite. Its object, that means shape of the Scratch program is called sprite. Okay. So now you see how can we add new sprite in our Scratch program? Simple. We already discussed. We just click on sprite. We just click on new sprite button, and after that, if you want to upload sprite or edit your sprite, paint suppose, or show your sprite, then you can use it. All the buttons from sprite button. Okay, so I have to insert new sprite in my stage. Stage means what? Stage means this area is sprite area. So now you see, I want to insert new sprite in my sketch area. Then how can I do it? Simple, just click it, and after insert sprite, which you want to insert in your sketch area. Apple is jar, milk, muffin, orange, orange two, strawberry, glass water, donut, fizzy pop, cake. Okay. So apple, suppose banana or people, fantasy, dance, music. Okay. Anywhere, suppose. Okay. Butterfly, and to insert butterfly sprite. Okay. So just double click on it. You see, my second sprite insert in my stage area. My second sprite was butterfly and first sprite was cat. Okay, just simple. Click on sprite button, new sprite button, and after that, all the sprite will become okay. And so the sprite which you want to use, and after this, just double click on the sprite, or you can use search. Okay, suppose butterfly. So now you see. Okay. Next, you see editing a sprite. We already discussed it. Editing a how can we add sprite in our Scratch program. Okay. And now you can see page number 7. Paint a new sprite. That means what? Paint, that means what? Edit. How can you edit your sprite? Just double click on sprite which you want to edit or paint. Okay, so after that you just click on costume tab. Now you can paint your sprite. Suppose I want to change the color of butterfly. So you see paint brush. Okay, so color is suppose I have to change this color, red color. Okay. Or fill color. And suppose use blue color. Okay. Green color. Okay. Okay. And you can also increase your sprite. You can see. Okay. It's called paint. That means edit. Next, you see erase. Okay, and if you want to restore your editing, then you can use edit. Okay, then you can use it edit and restore button. So I want to increase my sprite size. You see, 200, 100. Suppose use 700. Now you see. Suppose use 200 only. Okay, and you can also change direction, y direction or x direction. Okay, so it's called paint or edit. Next, you can see upload sprite from file. How can we upload sprite from file? So simple, just click on sprite button, new sprite button, and next click on upload sprite. Okay, so upload your sprite. I have no any sprite file saved in my computer, so I can't do it. Okay, no, you can add any images. Okay, not only shape. Okay, you can add any images. Just like this, I have to insert this image. Okay, just double click on it. Just a minute, you can see. Yeah. Okay. Next, you see paint. We already discussed paint. Yes. Double click on it. After that, click on custom tab. Okay. Next, you see new sprite from camera. New sprite from camera. Sprite. Okay. So you can click the button new sprite from camera to use your webcam to click a photo which can be used as a sprite in your project. Okay, you can also add your camera photo in your stage area, sprite stage area. Okay. Next, you see sprite information. Select a sprite and click on the icon in the sprite list. Yes, we already discussed sprite 1, sprite 2. This one is called sprite information. If you want to delete any sprite, then just click it, delete sprite button. Suppose I want to insert, I want to delete this sprite, butterfly sprite. Okay, so just select the first. You should select butterfly. Okay, after that, close it. Okay. Everyone, stop talking. Imran, mute your microphone.
Okay, sir.
So next you see backdrop icon is backdrop icon. That means what? We already discussed backdrop icon means background of sprite. Yes. So you see now my sprite background color is white. Butterfly sprite color is white. Butterfly sprite background color is white. This one is what? Dorian and sprite. Okay. Sprite, so I have to delete it. Sprite. Okay. So now you can see You see sprite, butterfly. So suppose if you want to add any background of a background color or images of your sprite, then you can use it. So backdrop. Okay. So just click it, and after that you can see all the backdrop will become and choose the backdrop which you want to use. Spaceship or spotlight or star, underwater tree, suppose. Okay. So just double click on it. Okay.
Sir, I am not seeing the screen.
Why?
Sir, I also. So I cannot see nothing. I cannot
Oh,
see.
wait. Now okay. Now okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see, backdrop means what? Backdrop means background. Background images or background color of sprite. Yes. So you see, default backdrop is white. Yes. Default backdrop is white color. So if you want to add any backdrop or background in your sprite, then you can use it. Backdrop. Okay. How can we add backdrop in our set or sprite area? Just click it and choose the backdrop which you want to use. Suppose baseball or baseball one or air.
Sir, basketball.
Basketball one. Okay. So just click it. Okay. Next, you can see sprite information. We already discussed sprite. Oh no, this one is not. Backdrop icon is. Next, paint a new backdrop. That means what? Paint, that means what? I already told you. Paint means what? Paint means edit your backdrop or edit your sprite. So, if you want to edit your backdrop, then you can use it. Paint backdrop. So now, edit your backdrop. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in middle after 40 minutes our class will be one time and we will have to join again.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, our 5-minute break also there, no?
Yes. So next you see backdrop. Suppose if you want to edit, suppose this one, this one, you can edit it. Okay. 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 So it's called edit backdrop. Okay? That means you can add new color, increase your backdrop. Okay. Different of your choice. Okay. Next you can see Upload backdrop from file. Upload backdrop from file. Just click it and upload. Okay. So next you can see tab. We already discussed tab, code, backdrop and sound. So code, that means script tab. Yes. So script tab is used for only. So when you use some block in your script area, then you can use script or code tab. Okay. And when we edit our backdrop or our slide, okay, that means paint, then we should use custom tab. Okay. And if you want to add sound, any sound, okay, any sound, suppose if you want to add any sound in your Scratch program, then you can use it, sound tab. Okay. Next, you can see page number 13. You can see page number 13. Page number 13, saving a project. How can we save our Scratch project? Simple. Just click on File tab and click on Save to your computer. This one option. We have to click Save to your computer. This one option. Okay. So after that, you can see, Save as option will open. Okay. So type our Scratch program. Suppose class 5. And after that, we have to click Save button. Okay. Next, you can see opening an existing project. Existing project. Okay. So you see, suppose you have already saved any project, Scratch project in your computer, and if you want to insert or edit your previous project, then you can use it. Just click it, File, and load from your computer. That means existing project. So you can see I have no any saved project in my laptop, so I can't do it. Okay. So okay, same process. Okay, and select the project which you want to edit or open in your Scratch program, and after that click on open. Okay. Next, you can see exiting from Scratch. How can you exit or close your Scratch project? Just simple. Click on close button. This one button. Okay, just click on close button of your Scratch project. Just click it and install leave, definitely leave, because we want to exit from our Scratch project. So we should use this one option, leave. Just click it. Just now our Scratch project exit from our computer. Yeah. Okay. Everyone, can you see on my screen? Farhan, Masadur, Imran?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we can see.
Yes.
Okay. So now we can see chapter 5. Have you any doubt from chapter 4?
No, sir.
Okay,
sir.
good. Very good. So you can see chapter 5.
Sir, in chapter 5, I have not in doubt.
Okay, good, no problem. Using blocks in Scratch. How can you use blocks in your Scratch project? We already discussed. Stop talking, stop talking. Masudur, stop talking. So now you can see page number is 2
Sir,
from chapter 5. Yes, tell me, Farhan.
sir,
Yes, Farhan, tell me.
sir, you do take from mobile connection, no?
Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
Yes, Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi.
Sir, Wi-Fi connection class not coming.
What? Wi-Fi connection what?
Sir, Wi-Fi connection class not coming many times.
In your laptop or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, okay. After class, we will discuss. Okay. I will call you. Okay. After class. Okay, Farhan. You understood, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
I will call you after class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now we can see page number 2, chapter 5, from chapter 5. How can we use block in our Scratch project? So simple. Loop, sound, event, control, which you want to use block in your Scratch project. Select this code motion suppose. And suppose use move block. Okay. Then just click it. Just click it and hold your mouse and drag your mouse on your script area. And leave your mouse. Same process on sound. Stay sound or play sound, stay sound. Start sound suppose. Drag your script area. And event when this one button or control. Okay. Just simple. Just click on your block which you want to use, and after that hold your mouse and drag your mouse on your script area and leave your mouse. Okay. So next you see types of block of Scratch. Types of block of Scratch: motion, loop, sound, event, control, sensing, operation, variable, and my block. My block, that means custom block. If you want to create your custom block, then you can use it. My block.
Sir,
Yes, Farhan, tell me.
sir, only you and me.
Yes. Okay, no problem. So next you see loop block menu. Loop block menu. Okay, loop block menu. Block for displaying text. Block for showing or hiding sprite. Block for shifting costume, and block for changing color effect. Okay. So loop block. I have to use loop block. Choose backdrop. Use it. Next backdrop or backdrop 1. Suppose I have to insert backdrop in my Scratch program. Okay. So you see, suppose if you want to change your any backdrop from your scratch project, okay, then you can use it. Switch backdrop. This block from loop. Yes, backdrop on or baseball 2, backdrop 2. Just click it. Okay. And block for switching costume and block for changing color effect. Color effect. How can we change our sprite color effect using block? So this one you can see change color effect. This one. The color, if you want to use brightness suppose and click it, you can see post or wire history. Click it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Color, click it.
Sir, give ghost.
Okay, no problem. Click it. Now visible. Yes. So it's called loop block. Okay. Next you can see pan block menu. Pan block menu. Pan block is a same types of edit. That means loop. Okay. Control sensing operation variable and micro. Pan down, pan up, sense, pan color by set, pen size 2, set pen color 2. Okay. Which you want to use dependent of your choice. And sound block menu. Sound default. So play sound. Suppose I want to use play sound. This one block. Okay. So which sound? Accord or mute? Mute suppose. Click it. Okay. Stop all sound. Then you can.
Sir, give again.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Sir, not coming. Sound is not coming.
Sound is not coming. Sound is working. Meow sound.
Sir, meow sound is not coming.
Okay, no problem. You understood or not?
Yes,
Play
sir.
sound. Play sound and step sound. If you want to play any sound of your sprite, then you can use it. Sound block for you. And change volume by. Next, you can see how to create a project using the sound block. How to create a project using the sound block. So how to create a project using the sound block? Simple. Just click on sound and upload your sound. And choose the sound which you want to insert. Can you hear the sound?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so play drum for bass, play sound until done, play sound. Okay, you can use it. Next, you can see how to paint a new sprite. Paint a new sprite, as we already discussed. How can we edit our sprite? Suppose if you want to increase your sprite size, then you can use it.
The class is coming to an end.
Good. Okay. So next you can see paint. Paint and UV sprite we already discussed. You can change your sprite color. If you want to change your sprite color, then you can use it. Fill color. Okay. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
How to paint a new sprite. Okay.
Sir, time.
Yes. I know. So have you any doubt this chapter?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then okay, everyone. 156 is at true false. Everyone got this question answer from this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have written all the chapter.
What?
Sir, I have written all the chapter.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Farhan. Okay, then students, bye bye. Best of luck for your exam. Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, bye bye.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Farhan, tell me.
sir, time is over.
Yes. Okay, bye bye.